Okay, so here we are, we're in Point Halloran. This is the most sought after location here in Victoria Point. This home is unique, it's been custom built, it's ultra spacious, modern, crisp and fresh, multiple little pockets. You've got a teenagers or parents retreat or guest area. But come on in, buyers, let's have a look inside, shall we? As you can see, buyers, this is a very special home and opportunity that one of you will get to call home. You've got side access, you've got multiple outdoor entertainment areas, all this room here if you want to put a pool in for summer. My name's Leanne from Freedom Property and I cannot wait to show you through.